G'day everybody, it's Richard Kinnan here. It's with a sadness that I come to you that the old Pride isn't going to sail again. It's been a tough week for us and there's been a lot of difficult decisions to be made. With the work that's got to be done with her hull and her superstructure to bring her back to commercially sailing, it just is not going to happen. I can say it's with a very, very heavy heart that we've had to come to this decision. It has been a very difficult decision over the past week, but I can promise you that we will do all we can to bring this dear old lady back to a formal glory. She will be a monument here on the banks of the Thomson River to tell her pioneering stories. Thank you for following, thank you for being with us, and thank you for being patient for these answers.